CPIM ni adong Dilip Shuklodash ni mangkwthwi bini nukhungni borongno yafanani shanmung shane Agartala Heritage Park laharo oghore shanmung narakhlaikha Patimungno kitingi Shaiman Kha thangnai 4 salni Horkuthuko Kollanpurni Darikapur Panchayat bai khobjak amcheni Kebengnai Bodoni Shamung Shetrao tangnai dok bai Nogohabai Joprobjakha CPIM ni tangfang Dilip Shuklodash tai markhai shak dukhu manma bai kokti salni fungo langma jokha fia nukhungni borni yango Yafari rwjak liya mangkwthwi abobai tungflajak CPIM ni adongrok khorak disalaikha tai Shumung Tishaka NCC PS ni SDPU Paramita Pandey ni thani tai patimungno kitingai Agartala Kunjabon amchai lahar kotor kasulaikha CPIM Bodol
ये CPM के कैडर है, इसको मारा गया कल रात में और आज इसको डेड बॉडी लड़कर उनका अपना घर उनका बेटा पार्टी ऑफिस ले जाएंगे, हम उनको अंतिम सम्मान दिखाएंगे। इसको मना कर रहा है ये बीजेपी सरकार का पुलिस ने। ये है आज त्रिपुरा का जो स्थिति बर्बरता कहाँ गया है, अनसिविलाइजेशन, that cruelty, how they are demonstrating today before this country. This is BJP and how they rule the country, how they misuse the human rights, and this is that scenario today we have been witnessing in Agartala.
So who has been killed till now? How many people have been injured?
One
from your party,
Dilip Shukladar, our supporter there last night, Dilip Shukladas, one of their BJP cadre called him from his house at around 11:30 and he got killed at Darikapur of Telemara subdivision under the Kollanpur Assembly constituency.
So till now you have raised allegations of post-poll violence. How many people have been assaulted or killed from your side?
No,
sir?
till now there are many places this happening. Though of course it is not the common feature. In few places where there are gundas and some ministers are the candidate of the BJP, in those places it is happening.
Raja Khoraguli ni Nitainik Bureau Report, Khumpui.